ya.
What's up guys, this is Ryan with JDM for All, and today we are taking the CRV off-roading, and it's been a while since we made an off-roading video with the CRV, and now that it's lifted with bigger tires, I think it's about time. Also guys, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go. Here we go guys. We got all three of them in a row. We got a Jeep Liberty, we got this 92 Jeep, and we got the CRV. Getting some fuel in the CRV, and then we will be heading out. Cannot wait, it's been a while. It's about time to take this girl out again, see what she can do. At least do some trails. Alright guys, we are out here, and we're about to hit some trails, and it is very sunny. Sun is going down though, so hopefully we can get some time-lapse shots and just some great video of us hitting some trails. I don't know what my bro's doing. I guess he's parking right here. Alright. Okay. Oh! Okay, so this is only my second time actually off-roading with the lift and the big tires. This should be fun. And obviously, now I have AC. Super happy about that. So, I am not cooking in here. Ooh, this is some thick sand right here. A lot of thick sand. You can really feel those wheels. You can feel all the wheels spinning in here. This is really thick sand. Yeah, so since it has been really hot out here, this sand has gotten even thicker and even harder to get through. Ooh, yeah, we are spinning right now, getting through this sand. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, kind of hard steering with one arm, but we're going to get through this. All right, and we have a Jeep in front of us and a Jeep behind us, and we are going. Ooh. I do miss off-roading. It's just been so hot. I haven't been really feeling like going off-roading. But yes, the CRV is very capable and it can do a lot out here. Alright, so this is a little dirt path and it's a little bumpy. It's not very hard to get through here though. And by the way guys, update on the AC. This AC is beautiful. It is so cold. It is actually freezing. I would definitely, if I was blindfolded, I would not even know I was in a 2003 Honda CRV. I would think I was in a brand new vehicle. It is that cold. Alright, ooh, so we're going down here. This is a nice little spot that we have down here. This is a really nice spot to go off-roading. It's like a little hidden area. This whole area down here. Look at the Jeep Liberty go! That thing is awesome. So I will give you guys an update on the Jeeps and walk around them, and we'll walk around the CRV a little bit too. Wow, it is really sunny right here. Okay, so there's some thick sand right here. But the CRV seems to be doing really good even with the AC on. I don't think I've ever off-roaded with the CRV with the AC on. So that's a little different. Alright, so here's a little downgrade right here. Okay, so this goes down right here. Just gotta keep it slow. Give him some space. I do not want to run in the back of him. Alright, ooh. See, there are some big rocks. Ooh, okay. There's the brake. There are some big rocks down here, and that's one reason why I wanted to be lifted, just to be able to clear these rocks. Here, you want to take this for me? Thank you. Alright guys, this is my CRV. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2003 Honda CRV. And it has a lift. It's actually a 1.5 inch lift and bigger tires. With the stock wheels, the stock rims. I absolutely love the CRV. And this is exactly what I'm building it for, doing some trails. I'm really liking the look without that plastic on the front. It just looks great. I think it looks really good. Look at that, it's actually holding up really well. And I have some decent clearance on the CRV now. That's exactly why I lifted it, just to have some clearance over these big rocks. This is my brother's 02 Jeep Liberty. I like this setup. I actually really like this setup. This thing looks good. And this is my brother's 92 Jeep. He's got so much done to this so far. The big wheels, lift, he's got the top now. The fenders, this thing is looking good. I actually really like this Jeep. This Jeep is awesome, and I also made a video about this Jeep going off-roading, so if you guys haven't seen that, you can go check that out on my channel as well. And he just put in AC on this thing too, so that is awesome. He got it. He got it.
Nope. Too fast. That's just what it does. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna have to take it off. This front wheel. We gotta dig this. It's not going up high enough. Screw it. No, what's happening is open differentials happening.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just working two wheels that are loose.
So rear suck the outer corners are moving. Let's fill this in the front and then two other corners on. Go. As he goes. I'm gonna push from the back. Do that again. Okay. Go. All right, let me push. It sucked it. Push it as hard as you can. Okay, we got to do those. Go. Don't let go, keep going.
I think I should mention that the sand out here is really thick and really dry at this time of the year, so it's even worse. And if you are in a CRV, you should probably avoid really thick sand like this. Both of my brothers with their 4x4 Jeeps have got stuck in this area in the thick sand also, so I don't feel as bad now, but I will be bringing tow straps next time.
Yeah, I see.
There he goes. Oh, that was bad.
Hey, it's your turn. Show me what you got.